done with work. Now I'm going out to play. I'm going to the golf range. It's been a couple of days, so let's see if I still got it. We're here. We're here. Golfing on the range. Golfing on the range. Hey, how you doing? This is our pot. Let's go. Of my balls. My goal is just to be able to consistently hit it back to back to back. I hit a good couple of balls, you know, pretty far. I don't gotta reach 100 yet, but further than 75 feet, which I'm very proud of.
Several hits later.
Another successful session at the range. I had a good time. The more I get better with my form, I'm definitely thankful that I'm starting to catch on to a couple things that help me hit the ball pretty good. So that was definitely a nice finish to an active day. Now it's time for dinner. I'm trying to decide, do I want to go buy dinner or go home and eat what I have at home? Although I feel like what I have at home, I want to save for lunch tomorrow.